Hi, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to be going over the heat pump cycle. So by now you should have watched the refrigeration cycle video, so you should have the basic concept of some of these components. So it all starts up with the compressor. From the compressor, the refrigerant comes out as a high pressure, high temperature gas. It goes into the hot gas discharge line, comes down here, to your permanent hot gas discharge valve, into the reversing valve. Now what a reversing valve does is it allows you to switch between heating and cooling. So, for example, this is in cooling mode. So it comes out through your hot gas discharge and into your outdoor coil. Goes in as a gas, switches to saturated vapor about halfway through, and then goes to liquid. The outdoor coil takes all the heat from this cycle and puts it outside. Then from here, it comes out the outdoor coil as a liquid into your liquid line, where it's still high pressure, high temperature. Then it comes into your TXV or metering device, and switches from high pressure, high temperature to low pressure, low temperature. It comes out here into your indoor coil, where it goes in as a liquid, switches to saturated vapor, and then switches back to vapor. Now the indoor coil, since it's low pressure, low temperature, allows for cooling your house. From here, it goes into your suction line, into the permanent suction line, goes out here, and goes back into the compressor. Now this is in cooling mode. If I wanted to put in heating mode, this little valve right here would slide over this way, and then your hot gas discharge would come out here, go into the indoor coil, and then come over here to the TXV, come over here to the outdoor coil, and then back into the suction line, and then go back to the side all over. Now you have watched our video of the heat pump cycle on the tools. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like on the train. So we start down here at the compressor, and then from the compressor comes out your hot gas discharge line up here into the reversing valve. Now, if we were in cooling mode, there's a little lever on the inside that switches back and forth depending on what mode you want it to be in. If we're in cooling mode, the lever will be on this side. The hot gas discharge line will come out here into your outdoor coil, switch about halfway to saturated vapor, come out as a liquid, and it will allow all the heat to be outside the house. And then you come into your TXV or metering device, switch from high pressure, high temperature to low pressure, low temperature, come out of there into your indoor coil, where it goes in as a liquid, switch halfway to saturated vapor, and then come back out as a gas, and then it'll go back in through here into your suction line, where it come back out and go back down to the compressor. Now if it was in heating mode, the lever would be on this side. Heat will come out here into your indoor coil, so you can heat your house, because all the heat would be released on the inside of your house. It would switch halfway to saturated vapor, come out as a liquid, go through the liquid line to your TXV. From there, switch from high pressure, high temperature to low pressure, low temperature, go into the outdoor coil, switch halfway to saturated vapor, and then back to a liquid. And then it'll come back out here through the suction line and back into your compressor.